this engine noise has got to be the worst for the GoPros. Hey everybody, Pete, Iron City Garage. We are going on a hopefully quick adventure today to help out one of my good friends. He sold a truck to a guy, and somewhere along the way they had miscommunications, or the buyer had a unrealistic expectation of condition. I don't know what it was. I've experienced that in my business a few times. It happens, but he did the right thing. He said, I'll give you all your money back, don't worry about it. And then he called me up and asked me if I could go get this thing for him, because it's only 2 hours for me. I'm going to bring it back here and I'm going to try and sell it for him, try and recoup as much of his money as we can. So we're going to hop in the truck, run out to Eastern Ohio. If we have time to hit any other spots I know about, we will. But right now it's get out there, get that truck, get home. So let's hit the road. And I'm wearing like a ton of clothes, so. Away. We're officially in the town in Ohio here, Jefferson, Ohio. Hopefully this gets on the trailer easy. That's it. Kind of put this issue to bed with my buddy and his buyer. Real what it is. You just gotta stay out of my mirror, which you are.
You might want to put a couple of extra strings. It's too far gone, they're gone. Yeah. You know?
Perfect.
Yeah, that's right.
Have a good rest of your day. Happy New Year. back. I talked to my buddy. This thing owes him $5,500, so we're gonna shoot for. It's here in Pittsburgh, PA. Obviously, we have the hood for it. I just tossed it inside. Has a good title. It's a 31 model way pickup truck. Asking $5,500. If you're interested, it's here with me. Give me a call, 412-335-6100. We can deliver it anywhere. I may mess with it and try and get it steering in the front here, get the rears rolling. But if you're interested, hit me up. Very complete truck. It's not missing much, but it has some rust in it, so it's definitely going to be a project. I think the frame has a hole in it. Typical, rust in the body of the Model A, but it is what it is. It's cool. You don't see a lot of pickups, so let me know if you're interested. Hey, thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have cars like these in your garage, if you have a fastback Mustang or convertible Impala, a nice original paint pickup truck or an old cab over truck, and you want to sell it, I'd love to try and put a deal together with you. You can get a hold of me at 412-335-6100. We pay excellent prices. We pay finder's fees. It's no secret. We do make a little money on the YouTube videos, so that allows me to pay, sometimes market value or really good prices for these cars. We'd love to come out and drag it out of your barn. We'd love to film it. We'd love for you to be a part of that whole process. So if you have an original paint or an original old fastback Mustang that needs work, like these ones I have on my trailer, or if you have an old pickup, or again, a convertible Impala, cab over truck, it doesn't matter where you are, we buy nationwide here in the United States, all the way as far as California. I've had stuff, New Mexico, Arizona, Oregon, Washington, high desert stuff we love. So, or if you're in the East Coast and it's a rusty Mustang or a rusty convertible Impala, that is fine. We typically don't buy many trucks on the East Coast, but I buy a lot of cars on the East Coast. If you have cab over parts also, especially for these early Fords, I'd be interested in that. It never hurts to send me an email or a text. IronCityGarage@gmail.com. You're welcome to send me an email or a text message, probably the best. You kind of get an instant answer that way. 412-335-6100. I'd love to talk to you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully we can make a deal on what you guys have on your farms or in your garages.